All right, prime time. Here's the video to find our top 12 winners for tonight's graded card break. So top 12 will all get a card in tonight's break. We're going to check the time, May 12th at 6:39 p.m. We're going to go over to, we'll call it the break and type live. And we have May 12th at 6:39 p.m. There's the list of our 72 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 12 after the final roll will all be winners. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Looking for the top 12. Good luck. We have Jay, Joe, Bobby, Don, Jay, Ryan, Russell, Jay, Neil, Jerry, Joe, and Tony are all of our winners. So congratulations to you 12. The rest from 13 down to 72, we will do a video here shortly for the consolation of the 16 by 20. So that's it, guys. We'll see you at 9 to open these babies.